Hello, I'm Hari Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. I'm going to present a video on visual merchandising. So, in this video, we are going to see about four types of settings. So, semi-realistic setting, environmental setting, fantasy setting, and abstract setting. So, first, semi-realistic setting. A semi-realistic setting refers to a fictional environment that incorporates elements of realism while allowing for some degree of imaginative or fantastical elements. It strikes a balance between the familiar and the fantastical, creating a world that feels believable and immersive while still allowing for creative storytelling possibilities. In semi-realistic settings, we can go through for three types. Grounded in reality, a semi-realistic setting is grounded in real-world elements such as geography, culture, technology, and societal norms. The setting may resemble our own world in many ways, with recognizable landmarks, historical events, and everyday activities. Next, subtle fantasy or science fiction elements. While the setting is based on reality, it may incorporate subtle fantasy or science fiction elements that diverge from the norms. These elements can include supernatural phenomena, advanced technology, or alternative historical events that add depth and intrigue to the world. Next, cultural diversity and complicity. Semi-realistic setting often features diverse and multifaceted cultures, religious and social structures. This diversity adds richness to the world and allow for exploration of different perspectives and experiences. Next, environmental setting. An environmental setting refers to the backdrop or context in which a story takes place. It accompanies the physical, cultural, historical, and sometimes even the emotional aspects of the world within which character interacts and events unfold. Crafting a vivid and immersive environmental setting is crucial for engaging the readers or viewers and bringing the narrative to the life. In environmental setting, we can go through three types. First one is physical geography. Describe the landscape, terrain, climate, and natural features of the setting. It is sprawling metropole, an quaintine rural village, a dense forest, or a barren desert. Consider how physical environment influences the character and shapes their experiences. Cultural context. Explore the customs, traditions, beliefs and social norms of the setting's inhabitants. What language do they speak? What rituals do they practice? How do they interact with each other and their surroundings? Cultural context add depth and richness to the environment setting. Historical background provides the backstory for the setting that explains its history, origins, and significant events. How did the current state of affairs come to be? What conflicts or upheavals have spaced the world? Understanding the historical background helps the readers or viewers contextuality the events of the story. Next, fantasy setting. A fantasy setting is a fictional world that is characterized by magical and supernatural elements, often features mythical creatures, extraordinary powers, and fantastical landscapes. In a fantasy setting, the law of physics and reality can be bent or suspended, allowing for imaginative storytelling and exploration of the themes such as heroism, adventures, and a battle between a good and evil. Next, abstract setting. An abstract setting is a fictional environment that deviates from conventional reality and embraces non traditional or surreal elements. It often challenges the conventional storytelling norms by presenting a world that is ambitious, dreamlike, or a symbolic, inviting interpretation and exploration from the audience. So, finally, the conclusion. The many types of display used in various industries and environments, the choice of display type depends on the factors such as intended audience, purpose, of location, and the budget. Thank you.